Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the prices and trades on the blockchain wallet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this prices button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find the top movers, and as you scroll down you can also check out the other prices. Here you have three categories at the top: all, favorites, and tradable as well. If you want to search for a specific coin, all you have to do is clicking onto this search bar at the top of the screen and then type in the name of your coin that you are looking for, and here you will be able to find it. As you tap on it, you can check out all of the relevant information concerning the selected coin. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.